Hallo Leute, welcome to the channel The Language Lover. So, in today's video, we are going to learn days in German language. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So, first I will speak in German language and then I'll speak in English. So, repeat after me. Montag, Monday. Dienstag, Tuesday. Mittwoch, Wednesday. Donnerstag, Thursday. Freitag, Friday. Samstag, Saturday. Sonntag, Sunday. Now I'll speak only in German language. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. Okay, so that completes our video. So you have to focus on the pronunciation part. Please practice, repeat after me and watch this video again so that you better understand. Practice, and if anything is not clear, you can comment that below. Now I have one question for you all. Please try to answer it. Welcher Tag ist heute? Schreibt bitte in die Kommentare.